In this video, I will explain what you need to do as a programming exercise assignment. Here are the due dates of the lessons. Lesson 0, there's no submission but from lesson 1, and you need to submit as you practice a programming exercise. So in the lecture videos forum, what you need to do is basically create the program as shown in the video. So lesson 0, simply watch all the videos and then install Visual Studio Code and C++ compiler, have the programming environment ready, and then try with the Visual Studio Code there. But from lesson 1, you need to do programming exercise, and then you need to submit it. So let me show you and explain what you are supposed to do for that. So here is the instruction for programming exercise assignment. So first part, what to do is there. So understand the contents of the lecture video as you watch those several video segments. So the most important thing is understand the purpose of every single line of code as it's shown in the lecture video. And then what you need to do is produce the same code after understanding the code presented in the lecture video. If possible, reproduce the code without directly looking into the code. So what it means is that if you mindlessly copy the code as shown in the video, you will develop an excellent typing skills. However, if you reproduce the code by yourself after understanding them without directly looking into the videos, you will develop good programming skills. As you know, I am unable to tell how your submitted code was produced, so you may get an A for your good typing skills, but you can choose what you want to be in the future, a typist or programmer. So after reproducing exactly the same code as shown in the lecture video, you need to add more code in your way creatively. That's called creative working requirements, creative work requirements. So after reproducing the same code as shown in the video, you should add some more code, not trivial ones by yourself, in the related topics. So don't do is completely unrelated ones. So as you study pointers, then you add more code which demonstrates the knowledge of a pointer or some other example of a pointer usage and the like. So in doing this, you are encouraged to study more about the presented topics so as to confirm and broaden your understanding as follows, but it's not limited to. So adding additional functionality or features in the class definitions. Exercise 1, I don't create a new class definitions of, but from lesson 2, mainly the class is created to explain the topic. So from lesson 2, add some more functionality or features in the class, or in lesson 1, it's not based on classes, but just create another file to demonstrate your understanding. Another way is one would be add more test codes in the main function. From lesson 2 and so on, I will show that how to test comprehensively, automated test and the like. So add more test code in your way. That would be another creative work. So added test code should be more comprehensive testing or a new creative way of testing procedures. So if possible, create a new file, a class or another file and the like for your additional creative work. So try to minimize the adding your work in the existing files in the lecture videos. For this creative work requirements, a video demo is required. I will explain that in a later section for that.